Want to see how I made this soap? Well, keep watching. If you didn't know already, I'd be dangerous. I have my protective gear on. So now I'm pouring in my lye in my distilled water. And this thing gets hot, like over 200 degrees. So you gotta be careful. And then in a separate bowl, I'm combining all of the oils and the butters that I'll be using to make this soap. And starting off with coconut oil, then olive oil, and then grapeseed oil, which Soap Beauty was actually really kind enough to send me their grapeseed oil along with their mango butter, which I love using in my soaps because it makes your skin super soft. And here's the mango butter all melted. Then I add my lye water to my oils, and this is where saponification begins. Everything is emulsified. Now I can start mixing in the color and have it separated because this will have multiple layers. And I'm just mixing the fragrance oil. Since this is a confetti soap, I'm adding some soap scraps from previous soaps that I've made within a year. And this batter was starting to get thick, as you can see right here, but I don't panic. I just gotta trust the process. And then I wanted white without the confetti right in the middle. I know it looks yellow, but it wasn't this bright. Just smoothing it out a little bit, adding the aqua again, and then topping it off with the black bluish color. Then I left behind some white so I could do like a nice swirl. Then topped it off with some star glitter meant for soap making. 2 days later and the soap is ready to be cut, and this gets exciting because then I get to see how the layers actually turned out. It came out way better than I was expecting. And that's how I make my soap.